how to be successful in 2024 and actually accomplish all of your New Year's resolutions. Step number 1, stop wasting your time and energy on YouTube or any other social media platforms. Your time and energy are currently being drained and they are currently being consumed by YouTube and whatever platforms you are going on for their profits. And you will never accomplish anything if you keep this habit up. Time is gold. Warren Buffett would trade anything to have the time that you have right now. So instead, use that time, your time, to perfect your craft and to thrive in whatever goal or whatever field that you want to pursue. I hope that these are the last 10 seconds that you will spend on YouTube today and that you will spend on YouTube forever. And I hope and pray that you succeed in 2024. Good luck. Now get out.